Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to access the Chrome Web Store on your Google Chrome browser. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, launch Google Chrome on your computer. Once your browser is open, you'll notice there are actually two convenient ways to get to the Chrome Web Store, so I'll walk you through both methods so you can choose whichever feels easier for you. Let's start with the first method. Direct your attention to the upper right corner of your Chrome window where you'll see three vertical dots. This is your main menu icon. Go ahead and click on these three dots to open the menu. Once the drop-down menu appears, hover your mouse over the option that says Extensions. When you hover over it, a side menu will slide out with additional options related to managing your Chrome extensions. From this side menu, you'll see an option labeled Visit Chrome Web Store. Click on this option and it will immediately take you to the Chrome Web Store where you can browse thousands of extensions, themes, and apps to enhance your browsing experience. Now let's look at the second method, which some users find even quicker. This method uses Chrome's address bar directly. Simply click on the address bar at the top of your browser, the same place where you normally type website addresses. Type in Chrome Web Store and press enter. Chrome will perform a search and display results. Look for the official Chrome Web Store link in the search results. It's usually the first result that appears. Click on this link and just like the first method, you'll be taken straight to the Chrome Web Store homepage where you can start exploring all the available extensions and tools. Both methods achieve the same result, so feel free to use whichever one feels more natural to you. The first method, through the extensions menu, is great if you're already managing your extensions and want quick access, while the second method, using the search bar, is perfect if you prefer typing and want the fastest route possible. And that's it. You now know two different ways to access the Chrome Web Store whenever you need to find new extensions or themes for your browser. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.